Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to save you guys $25. You don't have to buy a brand new blade, but instead sharpen the one that you've got. Now, what is the significance of a sharp blade? What could possibly happen to the grass for a dull blade? Well, apparently it will promote grass disease. Leaving a jagged edge leaves it vulnerable. And here is a picture of sharp versus dull grass. We're going to use a 5/8 inch socket, or you can use a wrench, and make sure you throw on a leather glove so you don't cut yourself. So it's that time of year to sharpen your lawnmower blade. Should you go lefty loosey and righty tighty, or is it reverse thread? Well, in this case, it was lefty loosey. And it may be a little bit difficult to see, but there are nicks in the blade. So we need to sharpen the blade so that it has the maximum efficiency. See those little nicks from hitting rocks or what have you? Let's get that sharpened up. This is absolutely the best way, so you can put two hands on your angle grinder. Some people prefer to take a file, hopefully yours is not as rusty as mine, to just file one direction and only on one side. Don't file both sides, because just like a kitchen knife, you're going to do more damage than good. So sometimes you just want to knock off the bumps from hitting the rocks. Or if you just want to hurry and get it done faster, you may use a bench grinder. Now, it doesn't have to be just like this, but 4.5 inch, and watch for the sparks. Be careful. You want to do nice, steady movements up and down, making sure the blade is sharpened evenly on. And then you want to flip it over and check the other side. Really sharp. So sharp. So much better and faster than the file. Once you get one side done, then you flip it over and do the other side, and it's a little bit hard to see here, but there's little nicks from the rocks and different things. Some blades are going to be in worse shape than this one. This one didn't look too bad, but it's just dull enough that it's not cutting the grass as sharply as it could. So we're going to take the flapper disc, and again, it doesn't matter what grit. You could use 60 grit or whatever grit flapper disc you have on your angle grinder will work just fine. Look how sharp it is. The flapper disc on the angle grinder is so much faster. That is razor sharp. And now it's time to put it back on the lawnmower. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to saving you money on the next project.